Hello everyone, welcome to the Plerdy channel. My name is Marta, I am marketing manager, and in this video we'll get to know how to collect users for Google Ads remarketing. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos. Basically, remarketing is a great instrument to nurture your visitors and convert them into real buyers. Usually, you will need a PPC specialist to set up a remarketing campaign. However, I am sure that you know in general how does remarketing work. So basically, you take the users who have been on one of the pages of your website or in general on any page on your website. You create a campaign in Google Ads, you create ads and then you show those ads to the visitors of your website on different websites just to remind them once again about yourself. So, what if I say you that you can set up those remarketing campaigns not only for people who visited a certain page, but also for people who submitted a certain form on your website or closed a certain form on your website. Basically, we need to follow the same process for pop-up creation as always. In our Plerdy account, we need to open Forms and Feedback tabs and click Build Form. Then we choose a type of the form we need. For example, email collection. We give it a name, for example, remarketing, and we create the form. The form design and display rules don't matter to us for now. We need to go to settings, and here we will see virtual page views in Google Analytics. As I said, there are two options: successful click on the form or the form has been closed. So basically what we need to do here is to add slug for this page so that in the Google Analytics we can understand why as those users. So for example, if we create here a slug success form, just random name. Then the data will be sent to Google Analytics, and all of the people who successfully clicked and submitted this form, they will be in Google Analytics as the visitors of this page with this slug. In Google Analytics, it will look like this. So basically, you choose the view you need, then you go to Behavior, Site Content, All Pages, and here you can see all of the pages. If you have a lot of pages on your website, you can use this search bar here to find a page that you created, like to find the users. And then when creating a Google Ads remarketing campaign, you can choose you can like create the audience of people who visited this page, and in this way you can target in your remarketing campaign the visitors who submitted the form or who closed the form. So this is it, nothing complicated at all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and also hope that you will stay with us and watch other videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.